The Kibi service area along the Sanyo Expressway. Every hour, workers collect and separate waste.
We don't know what's inside, so we pay very careful attention when doing our work. The biggest danger is to our hands.
In the bins are glass and other items that may be dangerous. An especially big problem for them is
There are syringes like these inside the bins.
used syringes. In particular, syringes that diabetes patients use to inject insulin can be especially problematic. They have thin and short needles, less than a centimeter. And accidentally grabbing one could pierce the worker's hands. So,
Because of infectious diseases, we wear protective gloves.
protective gloves? They're made in Higashikagawa City, Kagawa Prefecture. The area holds a 90% domestic market share for gloves. This company in the city is called Porute. Being sewn here are
We make gloves that can't be pierced by needles.
Porute produces protective gloves to prevent accidental puncturing by needles and other items. That insulin syringe needle doesn't go through. Typical protective gloves can be punctured by needles regardless of how many layers of high-performance fibers there are. So they turned their sights to stainless steel plates. But
Glove makers tended to see materials that can't be punctured as impossible to sew. You can't puncture stainless steel, so it can't be sewn. That's why no one tried.
at Porute, stainless steel plates are sandwiched by polyester sheets, allowing them to be sewn together. The gaps between the plates are filled by positioning them to overlap. As each plate is small, it's possible to freely move the hand and fingers. What's more, as the misalignment of the seams can create unwanted gaps, separate parts are put into molds and sewn in predetermined sections to ensure quality control.
We have a process, a system that allows anyone to make the same product with simple training. That's our strength.
Porute was established in 1993. Originally, their core product was heat-insulating materials for chip manufacturing equipment. They weren't a glove maker, but applying their sewing technologies and facilities to produce such heat-insulating materials, they entered the field of puncture-resistant gloves. There's wide-ranging demand for the products. This protects the hands from thorns when harvesting citrus. Additionally, they make stainless steel reinforced armor-like gloves like these, as well as protective clothing and shoes. Sales of such safety and protective gear have continued to grow, accounting for about half of the company's entire business last year. Across Japan, they count more than 200 firms as customers.
Using stainless steel plates as a material for gloves was thought to be impossible. Porute is the only company to come up with gloves that are both safe and flexible. Leveraging the quality of their product and Made in Japan branding, they're expected to expand their sales channels not only in Japan, but also overseas. Since many people around the world still don't know that there are products containing stainless steel plates, we want to promote and launch more products that use stainless steel and can protect your body from harm.